Friend, good morning. LabPro Pathology Lab Management Software. This one is a desktop application software, and now we have another one that is online lab smart reporting software, which is fully online. This software helps to manage multiple branches, multiple locations, and multiple devices. It means it can be used for any Android device, tablet, and desktop or laptop. In this software, you can use multiple branches as well. If you have, there are a lot of branches in your pathology laboratory, you can use this software, which is very frequent to manage. As previous video, I already told you, in LabPro is a desktop application software versus online smart reporting software. What are the basic differences? So guys, in this series of video, I would like to represent a smart report online lab management software. I'll let you know how to work on this and for which purpose that is mandatory to use it. See, if you have a lot of reports per day basis, you can use this online software that is very frequent to manage. In 3 or 4 clicks, your all complete report has been done. You can send reports by WhatsApp, by SMS as well, to patient and doctor management, sales management, patient entry management, all things are there. You can manage the payment schedule as well here. See, if I say in this dashboard there are total reports, total complete reports, total pending report, and current monthly income. These are some clients. We can say patient basically. So you can see that patient name, phone number, gender, age, total balance, pending, status showing pending, and result also not, because you need to fill up the report first of all. There are so many branches you can maintain here by choosing here setting options. You can manage doctors as well. You can write the report as well. So how to do it? I'm just showing you here. In master menu, there are test master, test package. How to make package? You can make so many packages like health combo, CVC bidol. So these are the combo. In these combos you can manage so many things. If you want to see that, you need master password. So for master password you need to contact from your software vendor to get it from those one. Apart from that, test group, there are lots of test group already built here. You can search your test group here. If you want to add, you can add it here. Subgroup also there. You can see subgroups. You can edit anyone, but you need to again master password. Test formula. Manage doctor. You can manage here so many doctors. You can add so many branches as well. If you have branches Agra, Delhi, Lucknow, New Delhi, Rewa. So if you want to add new branch, you can add here like Varanasi and just submit it. Your new branch added successfully. Patient entry. This is the first screen where you can interact. If you have earlier one any patient, just put the number. You will get all the details of patient. So this one is not. UHID. See, in that number just entered, already a database is there and that is filled by default. So that save your time as well. Just put the number, mobile number, you will get all the details. Department, you can manage OPD, IPD, and if you want to change the doctor, you can change the doctor as well. UHID number, it's optional, but you can mention UHID number if required. Here the test group and packages. If you want to choose any package, choose it health combo. In health combo we add blood sugar and dengue. CVC bidal, so you need to add hemoglobin, neutrophil, bidal. So these are the combo. You can add more combos and choose one. So I'm just going to share you select all. After selecting these charges already add up here, blood sugar, dengue. Now what total amount 399, extra if any we can charge is 49 rupees, total 448. Any payment advance 248 rupees taken advance. So mode of payment, that is cash, and we can save it. Patient record report added successfully. Now what you have to do, come to the dashboard, see the patient name, and this status is pending. Now you have to complete the result. Just simply blood sugar, enter the value here. Dengue antibodies, you have to write negative. If anything you want to write notes, just click here, already notes added here, and this one is highly. If you want to change color, design, font, you can edit here. Simply save it. Success. Now you need to select the status. The report is complete. Save report. This is the date and timing. Report saved. When you make it the save report, there are 4 options: print without header, WhatsApp, print a report with header, send invoice already activated. So before sending these reports, if you want to pay now, total amount, payment, balance. So we need to collect balance, mode again cash, and accept. Now we can send print a report with header, with and without header. So this is the report. You can see all the test reports, timing reports, is and everything here. You can send WhatsApp as well. You can see how WhatsApp sent to patient mobile number. See, done this. If you send it here, you can click and download the report. Very simple. In one click, you will get the reports. So I'm just showing you WhatsApp report here. It depends on the speed of internet also sometimes. This one, untitled. It get downloaded. We can check it here. This one, blood examination and dengue test and the value. So this is the report. Now again, if you want to send invoice, either you can check it the dashboard as well. Now report is now completed. It's not pending. You can see here. Now you can print from directly to print icon without header. You can use your header as well. Similarly, if you want to see the PDF, send one to WhatsApp, you can do it easily. This one, receipt. Here we have already mentioned all these things: charge it, group name, patient ID, mobile number, branch name. Now if you want to see the reports, branch wise report, like see here there are so many branches. If you want to check, search here, all daily branch report comes here, the name comes here, complete status, and in one click you want to print, delete, everything is there. For secure reason, in delete button we have already entered master password, that is mandatory, so your data will be secure. Without master password you can't delete, change anything. So friend, very easy to manage. You can add so many branches, so many multiple branches also, and use this software in Android as well. Patient test register, if you want you can take it here by doctor wise. Generate report, yes, this is report. If you want to export, you can export here. You need again password. Similarly, balance register, if any, you can check by doctor. You will see there is no balance. Similarly, daily collection report, hospital report, you will get everything in this software. As per the setting is concerned, you can manage your report setup. Use signatures here. 2, 3 signatures are there. If you want to add 1 or 2 or 3, just check it here. Check by. If you want to write anything, you can do it. You can also change this letterhead as well and take a printout as well. So guys, this is very simple and easy to manage software. A smart report online software. If you want to buy our free demonstration for this kind of software, click on the below screen's number and call them. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.